Kids' drones are a fun and exciting way to introduce children to flying technology, creativity, and outdoor play. The best drones for kids combine easy controls, durable designs, safety features, and entertaining functions like flips, obstacle avoidance, and HD cameras. Whether for beginners or young tech enthusiasts, these drones help improve hand-eye coordination while providing hours of fun for the whole family. Starting at number 1. DJI Neo Mini Drone. The DJI Neo Mini Drone is a compact and beginner-friendly drone designed for easy aerial photography and fun everyday flying. Weighing only 135 g, it features palm takeoff and landing, AI subject tracking, and stabilized 4K UHD video recording, making it ideal for casual users, travelers, vloggers, and families. Its lightweight design makes it highly portable, while the built-in propeller guards provide extra safety for new pilots in indoor flights. The drone supports multiple control options, including smartphone app control and voice commands, allowing users to capture creative shots effortlessly with quick shots modes. With smooth video stabilization and simple controls, the DJI Neo is perfect for beginners who want high-quality footage without complicated setup, although its battery life and wind resistance are more limited compared to larger professional drones. Number 2. TECHVIO Mini Drone 5in1 DIY Kit. The TECHVIO EC300 DIY Drone Kit is a fun and educational mini drone kit designed especially for kids and beginners who enjoy building and flying their own gadgets. This creative 5-in-1 DIY drone set includes 159 pieces that allow children to build multiple drone designs while learning basic STEM concepts, problem-solving, and hands-on engineering skills. The drone is equipped with beginner-friendly features such as altitude hold, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, emergency stop, and 3 speed modes, making it easier and safer for young pilots to control. It also supports exciting 3D flips for added fun during flight sessions. Made from durable non-toxic ABS plastic with full propeller guards, the TECHVIO EC300 is designed to improve safety while encouraging creativity and interactive learning. Many parents and reviewers appreciate its educational value and entertaining build and fly experience, though some online discussions mention mixed review reliability and the challenge of finding replacement parts. Number 3. Foldable drones for kids. The Hagel OS90 foldable drone is a beginner-friendly foldable drone designed for kids and first-time flyers who want an easy and entertaining flying experience. Equipped with a 1080p HD adjustable camera and real-time FPV transmission, it allows users to capture aerial photos and videos directly through a smartphone app. The drone features one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and multiple stunt functions like 360 degrees flips and circle flight, making it simple and fun for children to operate. Its foldable design improves portability, while the included propeller guards and 2 modular batteries provide safer and longer flight sessions of up to 26 minutes combined. Many users appreciate its lightweight build, beginner-friendly controls, and fun flight modes, making it a popular gift choice for birthdays and holidays for kids and teens interested in drones. Number 4. Holy Stone Mini Drone for Kids. The Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone is a compact and beginner-friendly mini drone designed especially for kids and first-time flyers who want a simple and safe introduction to drone flying. Weighing only 38 grams, the HS210 features easy controls such as one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and adjustable speed settings, making it ideal for indoor use and learning basic flight skills. The drone also includes fun features like 3D flips, auto-rotation, and circle flying, giving kids an entertaining flying experience while improving coordination and control. Its full propeller guards help protect both the drone and young users during crashes, and the included 3 rechargeable batteries provide up to 21 minutes of combined flight time. Many reviewers and parents praise the HS210 for its affordability, durability, and beginner-friendly design, though users commonly note its short individual battery life and limited outdoor performance in windy conditions. Number 5. X-Shop Foldable Drone 1080p Camera. The X-Shop HC024 foldable drone is a lightweight and beginner-friendly foldable drone designed for kids and first-time flyers who want an affordable introduction to aerial photography and drone flying. Equipped with a 1080p HD adjustable camera and real-time FPV transmission, it allows users to capture photos and videos directly through a smartphone app while enjoying live aerial views. The drone includes beginner-focused features such as one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, headless mode, gesture selfies, 3 speed modes, and 360 degrees flips, making it simple and entertaining for children and casual users. Its foldable design and included carrying case improve portability, while the 2 rechargeable batteries provide extended flight sessions of up to 30 minutes combined. Reviews highlight its fun features, ease of use, and compact design for indoor and light outdoor flying, though some users report limited wind resistance, average camera quality, and shorter real-world flight times than advertised.